Hello guys, I want to show you how can you visualize in augmented reality the products from IKEA directly at your home using your iPad Pro or iPhone 12. Okay, so let's start. Go on the App Store, search for IKEA Place. The app is free. You will have to download and install the app, and after you will just open the app. It's that simple. When you open the app, this is what you will see. Okay, the camera will be activated and you will see your room through the camera, okay, on your iPad or iPhone. Next, press browse button, and here you will have collection, room set, categories. For now we will try categories. To place an item in your room, just select the item and press this button. Now, once you select the item and you place it in your room, you can move it around, rotate it, delete it, add some other items, go around it, just as the item would be in your room. And you can add some other items also beside the one that you have. So you can fully furnish your room and see how it looks. Okay, let's try another item now. Okay, I deleted the table. Now let's select some other items to place in our room. The same procedure, just select an item from here and you will be able to place it in real dimension in your room. Okay, let's choose this one. Again, just select where you want to place it. I will choose this location here, rotate as you want, and that's it. You place it there. Now, I will choose another item and I will keep this one as it is. Let's go now for an armchair. Okay, this one, I will place it exactly here. Okay, now I can rotate, move it as I want, as with any item. Okay, when the item is placed, you can go around your room. The phone will register the location of the object you placed, so you can go around the room and look, I don't know, for collisions, dimensions, or whatever you want. Okay, now I will record over my iPad with my camera so you can see how neat this app actually is. And it's just amazing what you can do with a phone or iPad at your home. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you at the next video. Goodbye.